Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lamps, security alarm, power windows, heated steering wheel, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.